My name is Abdul Kalam, and I welcome you all to CISSP with Abdul Kalam. Let us now see what is the security model. So, security models, they are something that provides the mathematical formulas, relationships, and logical structures to implement a security requirement. So, for example, let us say we are developing a system or a software and we have a security requirement. After identifying the security requirement, to achieve those security requirements, we will choose appropriate security model and we will implement those security models into the software or the hardware. So this is something that is done by the vendors who develop systems and softwares. So what is given here is the different stages related to system or software development. We start with the planning phase where we have an idea which we want to develop. And in the second phase, we will identify the requirements of the system or software that we are going to develop. So, as a part of that, we will identify the features of the system or the software. Not only that, we will also identify the required security features. So, the security requirements or the security goals of that particular system or software will be captured in the security policy. Now, once we have identified the security requirements or security goals, then to achieve those security goals or requirements, we need to choose appropriate security models. This we will choose during the design or the architecture phase. So if confidentiality is one requirement, we have security models for that. We have models for integrity, access control, conflict of interest. So depending on the kind of security requirement that we have, we can choose appropriate security models during the design phase. And the security models that we have chosen, that is the mathematical and analytical models that we have chosen, it will be implemented into the system or the software during the development phase. Once the product is ready, then the product will be tested. There will be functional testing and there will be security testing. After that, we have the evaluation phase. Now, evaluation phase is where we will evaluate the trust and assurance of the product. Now, trust means we have identified certain security requirements or security goals in the requirements identification phase. We will check whether those requirements have been implemented into the product that has been developed according to our expectations. That is evaluation of trust. Now, evaluation of assurance means this is where we will look at the degree of confidence that the security requirements or the security controls that are implemented will work. So we have a security requirement, and to achieve that security requirement, a security control has been implemented. But what is the guarantee that this security control will work in a consistent manner every day? Evaluating that is called as evaluation of assurance. So trust will evaluate if security features, required security features are there, and assurance will evaluate whether the implemented security features will work in a consistent manner, or it is the confidence in the security controls. Confidence in the security controls that the security controls will work in an optimum manner. So the step of evaluation is may not be common in commercial industries, but this is something that is relevant for US government departments. Before they start using any product, US federal government departments, they will evaluate the trust and assurance, and if they are satisfied, then they will give their authorization. Only after due authorization or accreditation, then after that the system will be deployed, which means the system will be moved to the production environment where it will be used by people and where the administrators will administer that particular product. I hope the video was useful to you. Thank you all for watching this video.